proxy and VPN, proxy server and virtual private network. So they are talked together. They are basically to hide and secure your data. But the proxy server is only hiding your IP. It works on the application level. You can have multiple applications, so it has to be configured for every application. So the IP will be hidden. That is, proxy server will give its own IP and the web will know the IP of proxy server. But in VPN, it is hiding your IP. Along with this, the data coming and going, the encryption is done. Encryption is done. That means even if somebody gets hold of the data, they will not be able to understand. So VPN encrypt your traffic. For example, if you're sending hello, it may go as say $__ or whichever way it is incomprehensible. So VPNs encrypt your traffic while the proxy servers don't. Encryption proxy, no. VPN proxy, yes. VPN service protects you as a user from ISP tracking, from government surveillance and hackers. If you are a user, you have to go to a VPN client. You will connect to a VPN client first. Then it will connect to the ISP, internet service provider, and there will be a VPN server, and that VPN server will connect with the internet. Okay. So it can be any tracking, any surveillance by the government or non-government people. You will be able to protect yourself and your data, but the proxies don't. Okay. So they should never be used to handle sensitive information. Only VPN if you have very sensitive data to be secured. Okay. It can be NordVPN. It can be ExpressVPN. There are so many of them. All right. VPN actually reroutes all your traffic through the VPN server. As I just told you that this is your VPN server. So there is a proper rerouting going on because they work on the OS level, operating system level. While most of the proxies which are available, they only reroute the traffic of a specific app, application or a browser because they only work on application level. Okay. For proxies, you have to configure each proxy for each application. Okay. But only working on app will not solve your issue because you are working on an app, the other app can also send the data and receive the data. In VPN, it works on the operating system level. VPNs can be slower. It's very obvious because they need to encrypt your sensitive data. Okay. There are certain ways to improve the internet connection and browsing speed, but VPN is all about encryption and decryption, hiding your IP and doing everything safely. VPNs, because they are providing so many things, IP hiding and your encryption, so they are usually paid. There are free VPNs also because but they have certain limitation and you cannot handle your data to anyone. Many of the proxy servers are free. Many of the proxy servers, but VPN are generally paid. As I just suggested, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, there are so many VPNs that you can employ. And see, proxy and VPN, they both are not illegal. They are legal because sometimes you want to access a website which is not available in your country. How will you do that? So a VPN connection is more reliable, more secure, and it can keep your data safe, while the proxy server, it can also save your data, but the connections may drop frequently, and the ISP in between, they may share your data, they may share your ISP because that is known to them. So the difference only is VPN encryption, proxy, no encryption, both of them have IP hiding in them. Alright. They both have same kind of thing to safely allow you to work on the internet.